Very well that just I taught about future continuous tense.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I taught affirmative sentence,
Yes, sir.
a future continuous, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, two types. Yes, no answer type and WH type.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So regarding yes, no answer type, regarding WH type, and regarding affirmative and negative, I will ask only 4 sentences.
Okay, sir.
In Hindi, and you will convert into English.
Okay, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, you tell me what's your name?
My name is Vikas Tiwari.
Okay. So regarding future continuous tense, I will ask question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in the series of the affirmative sentence, I am going to ask.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
मैं पत्र लिख रहा हूँगा.
I will be writing a letter.
I will be writing a letter or
Like-
I shall be writing a letter.
I shall be writing a letter.
I shall be writing a letter. Okay. तो सीता नहीं नाच रही होगी.
Sita will not be dancing.
Okay. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी सीख रहे होंगे?
Will you be learning English?
क्या मेरा भाई कैसे अंग्रेजी बोल रहा होगा?
How will my brother speaking English?
Okay. तुम कहाँ जा रहे होगे?
Where will you go?
Where
Will you going?
Be
We-
going.
Yes, sir.
Where will you be
Going.
First question word, then shall will according to subject. उसके बाद subject लिखना है, उसके बाद be लिखना है, उसके बाद main verb का fourth form, उसके बाद object plus other word, and the end of the sentence sign of interrogation is very essential.
Okay, sir.
Okay. तुम कैसे पढ़ रहे होगे?
How you will be read?
How will you be
Read.
reading?
Reading.
How will you be reading?
Concentration.
Concentration
Yes, sir.
sentence पे जाओ लेकर के, इसमें रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होगी, आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? ओके. वे लोग दिल्ली कैसे जा रहे होंगे?
How will they be going to Delhi?
Yes. How will they be going to
Delhi.
सीता कैसे चाय बना रही होगी?
How Sita will be preparing
How
preparing
Sita will
tea.
be preparing
tea.
tea. ING is very essential. Okay. Pause कर लेना उसी पे. Okay. You know very well that in future continuous tense I am going to ask some Hindi sentence, and you have to convert into English. Okay. सीता पढ़ रही होगी.
Sita will be reading.
Yes, सीता will be reading. Okay. आप क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे.
You will be playing cricket.
You will be playing cricket. Okay. Negative sentence I am going to ask. Okay. वे लोग अंग्रेजी नहीं सीख रहे होंगे.
They will not be speaking.
Learning English. अच्छा, सेंटेंस कुछ ऐसा रहे, यही सेंटेंस रहेगा. वे लोग अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़ रहे होंगे.
They will be
Not be. They will not be
spoken
reading English. Reading English. Okay. और लास्ट सेंटेंस हमारा है WH टाइप पे. ठीक है ना? WH टाइप पे. ठीक है. वे लोग मेरे घर कैसे नहीं आ रहे होंगे.
How will they?
Okay. Speak off.
How will they not be coming at my home?
Okay. How will they not be coming at my home? Okay, that's good. जैसे ऐसे तुम लगा. You know very well that why we are here.
Yes, sir.
We are here, okay, for the practice session.
Yes,
and now I'm going to ask only 4 sentences regarding future continuous tense. Okay. मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रही हूँगी.
I shall be learning English.
Okay. और मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं सीख रही हूँगी.
I shall not be learning English.
क्या मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रही हूँगी? Shall I be learning English?
Shall I be learning
Okay.
English?
क्या मेरी माँ चाय बना रही होगी? सब्जेक्ट मेरी माँ है तो क्या लगाएंगे? Will my mother
Will my mother
be
prepare tea?
preparing tea?
Preparing tea.
Okay. और लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, बच्चे कैसे मोबाइल नहीं देख रहे होंगे?
How the children?
How will
the children not be watching phone? Operating phone. Watching.
अच्छा, मैं कैसे फिल्म नहीं देख रहा हूँगा?
How shall not be?
How shall I not be
How shall I not be
Watching
movie?
So do you have any problem in these all things?
No, sir.
Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to practice. Okay. You have to practice about these all things at home, and
Yes, sir.
tomorrow I will take a test.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, you know very well that why we are here.
Yes, sir.
We are here in the practice session of future. Okay, future continuous tense.
Yes, sir.
And for today's time, English is very important.
Yes, sir.
So anyhow, we have to learn. Okay, we have to learn that how to speak English fluently.
Yes.
So in the series of this practice session, I am going to ask only 4 sentences, and you have to convert into English.
Okay.
So are you ready?
I'm ready, sir.
Okay. मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँगा.
I shall be learning English.
मैं पत्र लिख रहा हूँगा.
I shall be writing a letter.
ओके. मैं फिल्म नहीं देख रहा हूँगा.
I shall not be watching movie.
मैं मोबाइल नहीं चला रहा हूँगा.
I shall not be
operating या
using phone.
ओके. क्या राधा नाच रही होगी?
Will Radha be dancing?
ओके. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी सीख रहे होगे?
तुम shall
विल.
क्या बोले हैं सर?
क्या तुम अंग्रेजी सीख रही होगे?
Will you be learning English?
क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोल रहे होगे?
Will you नहीं क्या तुम Will you be speaking English?
विल यू बी स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश. तुम कैसे घर जा रहे होगे?
How will you be
Going.
home?
गोइंग टू होम. ओके.
Yes, sir.
वे लोग कैसे अंग्रेजी बोल रहे होंगे?
How will they be learning English?
Okay, speaking English.
Speaking English, yes.
Okay, so I think, do you have any problem in these all things?
No, sir.
Do you have any problem in affirmative sentence,
No, sir.
negative sentence?
No, sir.
Interrogative sentence?
No, sir.
Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go at home and do the practice about these all things. Okay?
Okay, sir.
तो करना होगा, ना करें. Okay, you know very well that why we are here.
Yes.
We are here for the practice session, and for today's time, English is very important.
Yes.
The importance of English is going on peak. That's the reason each and everyone learning this language.
Yes.
So that's why we are here to learn this beautiful language, and English is very important language. Okay, and attractive language too. So in the series of the practice session, now I will ask 4 sentences. Okay,
Okay, sir.
based on affirmative, negative, and interrogative 2 types, yes, no, and WH type. So are you ready to give the answer?
Yes.
Only you have to convert Hindi sentences into English. So in the series of the affirmative sentence, now I'm going to ask. Okay, सीता पढ़ रही होगी.
Sita will be reading.
Okay, आप क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे.
You will be playing cricket.
Okay, वे लोग अंग्रेजी नहीं सीख रहे होंगे.
Will they be?
They will not be
learning English.
learn English. लड़के हिंदी नहीं बोल रहे होंगे.
The boys will be not.
Will not be.
The boys not be.
The boys will not be
The
speaking
boy-
Hindi.
Okay, sir.
Okay, क्या तुम दूध पी रही होगे?
Will you be drinking milk?
मिल्क. ओके, अब हम बात करेंगे WH टाइप पे. ठीक है ना? वे लोग मेरे घर कैसे नहीं आ रहे हैं?
How will they not be coming at my home?
ओके, बच्चे कैसे मोबाइल नहीं चला रहे हैं?
How will the children not be operating mobile?
ऑपरेटिंग मोबाइल. और मैं कैसे अंग्रेजी नहीं सीख रहा हूँगा? How shall I not be learning English? Okay, so I need to practice at home. Okay, so do the practice at home. Okay, when you practice 10 times to 20 times, it means that you will find your sound flexible. Okay, your sound flexible, and each and everything will be so easy for you. Okay, thank you. In the practice session, we just practice about affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence, and it is very essential to know about the tense, its identity, and do the practice at home if you want to be a fluent and fine speaker of English.